What is up, Remodelites? I am Dave with Remodel Media, and for the last 30 or so episodes, you've got to see me dress up in a shirt, tie, sometimes even a suit, walk around the showroom, and showcase different product for you so you can choose the right product to put in your own home. However, I am certain that there are more than a few of you that have wondered, sure, he sells sinks and faucets and toilets, hardware, bathtubs, tile, stone, flooring, doors, windows, cabinets, appliances, but could he put them in and actually act on some of the advice that he's giving? Well, to those naysayers out there, I say to you, challenge accepted. So my in-laws had some renters that just did not take care of the property and let it go for 2 years. But it's not just 2 years of neglect, it's also 2 years of use. So the neglect and the use kind of compound on each other, and we've got our work cut out for us. So let me take you on a quick walkthrough. You see that the front yard, which was once landscaped and fairly nice, is an overgrown jungle. And definitely in need of a little landscape remodeling. Even part of the address thing is missing. I think it's on the ground over there. Let's walk up the side of the house here. Well, now that's interesting. Yeah, I heard they got a free couch from the neighbors, but then said they didn't want it. And so now that free couch is our problem. Hello, snowman. Interesting. Oh, dear. I feel like we're on safari. And I am willing to bet every single koi that was in that pond is dead. The water's not moving, and it's stagnant with leaves. Ah, man. I guess this is where the parties happened. What is that thing? I have no idea what that thing even is. Yeah, this is definitely where the parties happened. Man, I helped build this. This was an interesting project back in the day because this was one of my very first plumbing projects. What we did was we tapped into the water hose, which is off to the left right here. We repurposed a laundry room cabinet and sink, and we put it outside. You know, that was only going to last so long anyway. But we ran a drain line, just a gray water drain line through, underneath, underground, and out there. So I'm willing to bet that this little mosquito fest over here, the drain line over there is probably clogged. So we're probably going to have to find, unearth, open that up. Fun times. But in this project, we put in a little point of use water heater. If I had it to do all over again, I would have done a tank heater instead of an instant water heater. Reason we did the instant water heater was because I thought it was cool at the time and very sleek and compact. And it is all those things. But the trouble is it's a 120 volt, and the 120 volt heaters only raise the groundwater 15, 20 degrees. And when your groundwater's coming in at 60, 70 degrees, it still doesn't get hot. So I would absolutely recommend the use of a tank water heater, such as the one that I showed you in a previous video about under the sink accessories, if you want that water to get hot enough to wash your hands, wash a dish, things like that. Just piles and piles of stuff. Things that fell off the tree. Now, to be fair, some of this stuff probably belongs to my in-laws, and it was just stuff they were keeping outside. But, oh man, a deck box completely buried. I wonder what's in there. So, we are definitely in need of some backyard DIY. Let's take a look inside. That's interesting. They put the cardboard up there, I think, to keep the dog from scratching on the door. But that's interesting. So, wait a minute. It's June. Why is their Christmas tree still up? I get keeping the spirit alive, but that's just ridiculous. That's the new fridge. I just got them. Link will be in the description below. Now, some of this stuff is mine. I brought some food. Of course, my food is all in sealed containers. Why is it in sealed containers, you ask? I'm glad you asked. Ants. A couple days ago, this place was swarming with ants. They were in everything. They've seemed to mostly be gone, and that is because I sprinkled something around the perimeter of the house. This right here is my favorite ant block perimeter bait. I'm going to put a link to it in the description below. But yeah, that was not fun coming in and seeing all that. The bathroom door needs to be replaced. Tub and tile are actually in fairly decent condition. They were a little dirty when we came. They were really dirty when we came in, but we cleaned it up. Toilet's seen better days, but it is a Toto, so it will stand the test of time. Overall, the bathroom's not in a horrible condition. A little sprucing up and it'll be all right. Although we'll see if we can if my mother-in-law will let us change out at least that faucet. Seen better days. So, long story short, I'm going to be living here while we rehab and revamp this place. We've got our work cut out for us, guys. I'm hoping to take you guys along on the journey. We'll just start in the front and work our way back. We'll start with curb appeal, because one of the things that my in-laws want to do is very, very soon they want to sell the property. So we're going to basically rehab it with a mindset of a house flip or designed to sell kind of a concept. I apologize about my voice, by the way. I am still recovering slightly from a cold, but I'm powering through it for you. All right, I'll catch you in the next one.